honorable guests, esteemed keynote speaker, Dr. Jupiter I. Mabulok, our respective school head, Mrs. Lorna B. Abeliana, Ma'am, Law North District Supervisor, Mr. Mario L. Garcia, Sir, beloved teachers, proud and loving parents, friends, and most especially to my fellow graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. I never expected that I would be the one standing here on behalf of our graduating class. Yet, here I am, honored and thankful. Wa ko nagdahom sa akong pagkahilumon nga magyawawon, kaya di ay kahabunaw ni nga maabot na posisyon. I never dreamed this, but I'm truly grateful to God that He has planned this for me. And to this person who trusts in me, you will always have a great place in my heart na dili na akong makalitan. I want to give all my thanks to God. It is because of His love, guidance, and strength that we have made it to this special day. Graduation is not about our hard work, but also about the many blessings He has given to us. God has always there to push us, to guide us, and to help us keep going. He gave us the strength to overcome every challenge and the courage to chase our dreams. To our proud parents, I feel that the happiness you feel today kay dili jud masukod. In your sacrifices to give your children a better future, for always understanding us, and for guiding us to the right path where we can reach the happiness you dream for us. I know, dear parents, that you're so proud of your children now. Even though we have did mistakes and have answered back to you. You never abandoned us, and most importantly, you gave everything so that we could stand where we are today. Sa among mga minahal mga ginikanan, dili din malikayan yung problema mo about sa mga gastuson sa eskwelahan. Sa mga panahon nga moingon mi, Ma, Pa, namin ang puhon o bayon sa school. Ma, Pa, pwede ba ngayon para sa among project? Sa tanang pangayon namo, never mo maingon nga dili mo muhatag. Nakita anaho nga kamo na ning kamot para ka namo. Mutubag lang mo nga, sige na, muhatag na ko ng sweldo. Sige na, puwata ng sunod adlaw, kay basin makahuwag ko. Okay na, ako rin bayad dito sa school na mo. We know mga anak nga dili di masuklian ng words na thank you ang tanan yung ipagkitang kaayo para namo. Bisag umusap ka ng kahabo ang inyong mga trabaho o igo-igo na dyan ang maabot, mukahin dyan mo para sa among mga pangayoon. Sa akong mama o papa, nga niningkamot kanunay. Si mama nga ang dami sakripisyo nga manalbaho sa panglaw, bisa na ginibalik niya, kinahanglan siya humata o kadlawon aron dili lang manay. Papa nga usa ka man ng Diyos, nakaraad lang sa iyong mata, aron may matiman o mag-andak na mo before mo doon sa tulungaan. Salamat kayo sa pagsalig na ho. I am very, very proud of you, Mama and Papa. Now, I would like to share our deepest gratitude to the dedicated teachers of Governor Jacinto Borja National High School for their unwavering commitment to our growth and success. Your patience, guidance, and passion for teaching have not only imparted knowledge, but also inspired us to aim higher and believe in ourselves. Despite the challenges, you have always been there to support, encourage, and push us to reach our full potential. We are truly grateful for the sacrifices you made and the impact you have on our lives, shaping us into the individuals we are today. Thank you for everything you do, teachers. We owe much of our achievements to your love for teaching. Sa among mga na-advisors, salamat sa pagpangga namo, ma'am. Sa tanang subject teachers, namo nga mihatag og taas sa pasensya kanunay. O ginabi na sa among advisor o assistant advisor karon. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you kami na antos bisan og kami magpabadlong sahay. Mga hinigugmang pagtutudlo sa Governor Jacinto Borja National High School. Salamat kayo, ma'am o sir, sa pagtudlo, paggiya, o paghatag sa mga tambag aron kami mupadayon. Kaya wala mo, dili na mo ni maabot kung unsa mi karong adlaw. To my dear friends and classmates, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for your constant support, laughter, and companionship throughout this journey. Through the challenges and success, we've always had each other's back. And it has all made all the difference. Your kindness, understanding, and encouragement have made very memorable moments. I am truly thankful for each of you. Together, we've created memories that will last a lifetime. And I am grateful for the bond we share. Thank you for being not just classmates, but true friends who made this experience unforgettable. I will miss our memories sa atong mga answer na kanunay kitang magtinabangay, sa mga makulba kung makapasarba sa exam, sa mga mumaka o kadlawon aron lang magtuon, sa kada recess o paliogto na kinahanglan kitang magbungan, sa mga pikang time na kitang mag-istorya sa atong pagsa-pagsa ng mga kaagi, sa panahon na kitang budlayon pero fighting ra gihapon. Tanawa ang atong tagsa-tagsa kaugalingon karon. We are now ready to start another journey. Kapasalamat jud kog dako ninyo kay naa mo permanente ug anda mo tabang kung manginahanglan ko ninyo. Salamat kayo kay salig sa munaho kung kamo manginahanglan og tabang. Batchmates, we did it. Just always remember na kaya nang galing nato karon, maopas kaya pa nato ang umaabot. Through all the challenges and experiences, one important lesson I've learned is that growth often comes from stepping outside our comfort zones and embracing the lessons that come with struggle. I've learned the value of persistence, hard work, and the importance of staying true to myself. Additionally, I realized that the people around us, whether teachers, friends, and family, play a crucial role in shaping our journey. The support and guidance we receive from them make every step worthwhile. Above all, I've learned that success is not about achieving goals, but also about learning from setbacks, appreciating the process, and sharing our experiences with others. Bisan og dili lalim ng atong mga kaari ka fellow graduates, proud jud ko kaayo nato karon kay naatan. Kay daw kung makitang tanan, nalingkamot para ani, o makita na o kung unsa kalipay ang atong mga nilahan nga ginikanan karon. O gilabi na sa mga teachers nga nagtudlo na mo, dili lang mga subjects but also gitudloan ninyo on how to grow and build a good personality. As I look forward to the future, I am filled with hope and determination to continue striving for success. The lessons I've learned, the support from my teachers, friends, and family, and the experiences we've shared together have inspired me to aim higher and embrace new opportunities. I know that the road ahead will be filled with challenges, but I am confident that with the hard work, resilience, and the lesson of the past, I can overcome whatever comes my way. I am motivated to continue growing, learning, and making the most of every opportunity that lies ahead. Always remembering that the journey is just as important as the destination. Before I end, I want to give special recognition to our beloved alma mater, Governor Jacinto Borja National High School. This institution has been more than just a school to us. It has been our second home. Within these classrooms, hallways, and grounds, we grow not only in knowledge but also in our character. Thank you for being the place where our dreams began and where we learn the values that we will carry throughout our lives. As we come to end of this chapter, I want to extend my deepest gratitude to everyone who has been part of this journey. To our teachers, for your guidance and unwavering support. Diligent mo na ako makalitan mga ma'am. To my friends, fellow graduates, for the laughter, lessons, and memories we've shared. Mingaw ko sa ato mga high school memories tungod kay kita nga magkapwa-buwag para sa ating tagsa-tagsa ng mga pangandoy. And to my family, for constant love and encouragement. To all the graduates of 2024-2025, congratulations! This achievement is a testament to our hard work, dedication, and perseverance. While this may be a farewell to this stage of our lives, it is not the end, but rather the beginning of new adventures. I will carry the lessons, the growth, and the memories with me as I move forward. Thank you all for being a part of this incredible experiences. Farewell for now, and may we all continue to reach for our dreams. Thank you, and once again, congratulations to all the graduates of 2024-2025.